Good day. So our topic for today is all about ratio and proportion. Objectives: express a ratio in simplest form, identify, write, and solve proportions. So first one we have here ratio. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities. So if we are given A and B such that B is not equal to 0, a ratio of A to B is the quotient A divided by B. And it can be written in three ways. So sa tatlong paraan natin pwedeng isulat yung mga ratio. First one is using a colon. So this is A to B, or simply writing the word A to B. And also we can express ratio as fraction. So this is A over B. And take note that ratios are expressed in simplest form. So we're going to simplify the following ratios. First, we have 8 over 20. So in simplifying, we're going to get the GCF of the numerator and the denominator. So pagkuha ng GCF, ibig sabihin nun ay mag-isip lang tayo ng highest number that can divide both numerator and denominator. So ano ba yung highest number na pwede mag-divide kay 8 and 20? That is 4, right? So 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then 20 divided by 4 is 5. That's why the simplest form of 8 over 20 is 2 over 5. Next one, 18 over 12. GCF is 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So we have 3 over 2. Next one, we have 25 over 50. So we can divide them by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 50 divided by 25 is 2. So we have 1 half. And last, we have 22 over 11. GCF is 11. So 22 divided by 11 is 2. And then 11 divided by 11 is 1. So the answer is 2 over 1. So in simplifying, it must be fraction. Okay, kasi diba pag ratio, comparison of two quantities. So kahit na 2 over 1, pwede naman siya maging 2, diba? Pero since we are simplifying ratios, stay lang siya as 2 over 1. Next, proportion. So when we say proportion, it is an equation that equates to ratio. Okay, so this is an example of proportion. We have here A over B is equal to C over D. Or again, we can write proportion as this. A to B is equal to C to D. Now, the parts of proportion, we have the means and the extremes. Okay? So solve for x. We will now be solving for the value of x. Okay? So here in solving this proportion, we will simply apply the cross product rule. Okay? So cross multiply lang. So we have here 4 times 12, that is equal to 48. We're going to have 48 equals, and then 3 times x is 3x. Then solve for x. Divide both sides by 3. So this is 1. So x na lang yan. Pwede natin pagpalitin yan, Okay? So x is equal to, so 48 divided by 3, that is equal to 16. Okay? So x is equal to 16. Okay? Yung property na pwede silang pagbaliktarin, that is the symmetric property. Next, we have 25 over x equals 5 over 2. So cross product again, cross multiply. So we have 25 over 2. 25 times 2, that is equal to 50, equals, so x times 5, that is 5x. Solve for x, divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 50 divided by 5 is 10. Actually, to check, pwede mo naman i-substitute. Okay, so pag sinubstitute natin si x, so that is 10, right? So pag trinay mong i-check, so 25 times 2 is 50, and that is equal now to 10 times 5 is 50. Pag nag-equal sila, ibig sabihin tama yung nakuha natin value for x. Next one. We have 9/3 equals x plus 2/4. So again, cross multiply lang. 9 times 4, that is equal to 36 equals, so we're going to have 3 times x plus 2. So we will distribute 3. Okay, so 3 times x, this is 3x. 3 times 2, that is 6. So plus 6. Then, to solve for x, first transpose positive 6. So we're going to have 36 minus 6 equals 3x. Then combined, 36 minus 6 is 30 equals 3x. And then divide both sides by 3. So x now is equal to 30 divided by 3, that is 10. Next one. We have 5x minus 10 equals 8 and 4 equals 5x minus 10 over 4 equals 5x over 8. So still cross multiply. So we have 5x minus 10 times 8. Distribute 5x times 8. So 5 times 8, that is 40. So 40x minus. So 10 times 8, that is 80. So we have minus 80 equals 4 times 5x, that is equal now to 20x. Combine like terms, so we can transpose negative 80 to the other side and also positive 20. Okay, so positive 20 pag transpose, magiging negative 20. So we're going to have 40x and then minus 20x. That is now equal to negative, no, this is now positive 80, right? So 40x minus 20x, that is equal to 20x equals 80. Okay, then solve for x, divide both sides by 20. So 80 divided by 20 is 4. So x is equal to 4. Okay. Next, we have 4 over 3x minus 5 equals 4 over x. Ganun lang, paulit-ulit lang naman yan, cross multiply. 4 times x is 4x equals, we have 3x minus 5 times 4, distribute. 4 times 3x, we're going to have 12x. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And then combine like terms. So, actually, pwede naman ito na yung transpose natin. So, we're going to have 4x minus 12x equals negative 20. 4x minus 12x, that is equal to negative, okay, negative 8x equals negative 20. Then, divide both sides by negative 8. So, x is equal to negative divided by negative is positive. So, 20 divided by 8, we cannot have a whole number. So, simplify na lang natin by 4, right? So, we're going to have 5 over 8 divided by 4 is 2. That will be the answer. Next, we have now word problems about ratio and proportion. So first one, a recipe needs 4 cups of flour for 6 servings. How many cups of flour are needed for 9 servings? So first, in the word problem, identify natin yung anong ratio muna. Okay, anong relationship? So yung ratio natin is cups to cups of flour, okay? 2 servings, okay? So, yung first one, sabi, 4 cups of flour to 6 servings, okay? So, magiging 4 over 6. That will be now equal to how many cups of flour are needed for 9 servings. So, di ba ito ay magiging cups over servings? So, dapat dito din sa kabila, cups over serving. So, sa pangalawa, how many cups of flour? This is the unknown, yung cups of flour. So, we can represent this one as x. So, magiging x over serving is 9. Okay? Then cross multiply lang yan. So 4 times 9, that is now equal to 36. And then 6 times x, we have 6x. Then solve for x, divide both sides by 6. So 36 divided by 6, x is equal to, okay, x is equal to 6. Okay, so it means that, okay, it needed 9 cups, right? 9 cups of flour for 9 servings. Okay, so this will be our answer. Next one. So 5 workers can paint a wall in 8 hours. How long will it take 10 workers to paint the same wall? So again, relationship, workers, 2 hours, right? So workers over hours. First, we have 5 over 8. That will be equal to, so how long will it take 10 workers to paint the same wall? So meaning, dito sa pangalawang ratio, ang missing na is the R. Okay? So kung worker to R din to, so yung worker natin, that is equal to 10, yung R represented as X. Okay? So cross multiply ulit, 5 times X is 5X equals, so 8 times 10, that is equal to 80. Then simply divide both sides by 5. Okay? So 80 divided by 5 is equal to 16. Meaning it will take 16 hours for 10 workers to paint the same wall. Okay, so that's it. This is our lesson about ratio and proportion. Bye.